Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to look at cexp.io, the power tab airdrop, the listing update. And if you're coming across this channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. Please do well to like, share and subscribe, turn on the bell notification. You can as well join our WhatsApp and Telegram channel for high value updates. So here we are going to look at the listing of this power tab, which we all have been mining. And currently, once you click on your power tab, it said the game has ended. Now you need to visit your Bisesi portal for you to continue. So you get started. Now coming here, you can now see your position. Now you have to click on my airdrop. Coming to my airdrop, the airdrop fulfillment currently is 80%. So we are moving gradually. It is expected that we need to have 1 million participants before they would distribute our rewards to us. They are going to send it directly to our wallet. So if you have not connected your wallet, you have to go and collect it. And the first step is you must make sure that you have gotten the Bisesi code. The Bisesi code, they used to drop it on their Telegram channel or their YouTube channel. So you must go there and check to get the code. That is the first step that will warrant your airdrop. If you did not get the pre-qualification code, no reward for you. If you did not get the pre-qualification code, there is no way you can add your wallet account here. So the first thing is to get that code. So once you get it, you have to link your email, your Telegram email, and your Telegram ID. Now you have to connect your wallet. You can use a phantom wallet, or you use their recommended wallet, which is Wigma, also Wigma wallet. So make use of any of them, but preferably use your Solana wallet, which you will get from your phantom. Connect it and wait for their official listing, which they are going to send the token directly to this wallet. So that is it. And if you think that your wallet you submitted has been compromised, or you don't really have access to the wallet again, you can easily delete. Looking at this delete option, once you delete it, you are going to delete both your email, your ID, and your wallet, and you can now reconnect. That's if you want to delete. So we have now 80% more, let me say more 20% to go. So we are going gradually. If you have not gotten the code, go and get it so that you can qualify for this airdrop. I believe you got value from this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, turn on the bell notification, join our WhatsApp for more updates. Thank you guys.